Welcome to LEGOLAND Florida Resort. Plenty of parking. We have rentals here. Wheelchair, ECV, double stroller, single stroller. This is what they look like. And they have the doubles for 2 kids and people who might need a wheelchair. They have these. Ready for the maze. You always gotta peek over and check on your child. For them, it looks like an adventure. Or The Shining.
Trail. Do you want to join them?
Hello, children. The footprints on the ground. Follow the footprints and see who made them.
So many things for them to discover. I see some smaller tracks. Lots of pretty sensory sounds. You could dig in the ground for some carrots, like crawling under the tunnel.
From tiny seeds. Grandpa Pig likes to grow tomatoes in his green room.
What are you doing?
Scavenger hunt. Can you find these in the garden? Lots of sensory things all throughout this playground for little ones. Some concessions, some drinks, and more places to sit down and rest and have some snacks for food. These are some of the concessions and prices. Mr. Bull's High Striker. Places where you can play games with your kids. Like little bean bags in there to throw. And this ride actually goes up there, so it is actually pretty high up. But there's a nice cage around it to keep everybody inside. It's cool. And parents can ride with their child as well. Look, roller coaster, wow! Pirate Island. How many boats do you see? There's always some kind of engagement with each thing. Dig for treasure. Castles. Right next to the Pirate Cove, or you can ride the boat rides on the water. Air conditioner. Let's see what's showing. So they have a quiet area here in case you have a fussy baby. Nice comfy air conditioned spot with Peppa Peppa Pig. They have sensory in mind for people who are sensitive to loud sounds. So if you just need a little break, this nice quiet room. So if you need a quiet place to go to with some Peppa Pig playing in the background, come to the cinema. And there's also free AC. 10:30 and 2:30 p.m. That's when they have the show. And also 12:30 and 4:30 they have the show.
I. Now that was good, but I think you can do it even louder. Let's go! Charlie! I. George! I. Peppa! Shimmering timbers! All hands up!
Dinosaur Adventure Park. They have a cool, slow-moving roller coaster here. It doesn't really go up high. It's for the littler ones, or you can be older and ride it too. There's a mom riding with her child right now. Going on a safari with a dinosaur horse. Her accent's terrible. Different sorts of dinos. There's a volcano over there. Brachiosaurus, a T-Rex. Ooh. Even say hi to other people on their dinosaurs. Daddy Pig roller coaster. We're here at Peppa Pig's house. Got a little maze to go through. Oh, there's air conditioning.
Is there anyone there?
Go up the stairs, Peppa's bedroom. Their living room. So there's air vents in the floor and on the ceiling. So this is a nice place to come in and cool off and explore some sensory items here that are really cool to play with. We found Daddy Pig's keys. They got thrown in the laundry. What are we cooking here? Turn on the water. Cook the food. It's 8 o'clock. I wonder if that's in the morning or evening. So after you see Peppa's house and explore in there some and find Daddy Pig's keys, he takes you for a ride on his roller coaster once you find his keys. I like all the quests in this theme park. Go, Daddy Pig, go! Go, Daddy Pig! Woo! Whoa! This is the perfect coaster for your first roller coaster ride.
Oh dear.
That was fun.
Looks like
That was about a minute long.
Where we start?
Pretty cool splash pad here. They have changing stalls here, so if you bring an extra set of clothes, you can change. There's also bathrooms you can go into, but it's just nice that it's really accessible here at the water park. Little duckies over here. Couple slides. Quack, quack, quack. Mrs. Fox's shop. You can come and get your souvenirs. Let's take a look. Oh, it's Peppa Heaven. Ice cream right there. So many Peppa Pigs. And cold drinks. There's also cool wall decor here. A couple different things to choose from to decorate your child's room. I love the bags. These were $17.99. These are $9.99, so you can just get like the little athletic one for $9.99. These are about $17, $20 or more. Some things are like $30, so it's kind of a little bit pricey on the higher end of things. Some thermoses. Also really cool blankets. $39, there you go. Pillowcases, twin sheet set, very cool. Also, can't forget about your books. $12.99. Giant Peppas. These are $64. You may not want to carry that around the whole park. There's some little ones too. Little ones are $15, $14.99. So if you want to get a stuffed animal, you're probably going to pay about $15. They have a lot of different varieties of the Peppas. Peppa socks, very cute. They have pink and purple. Not really sure how much these are. Oh, these are $10, $9.99. They're nice quality too. They breathe. Alright, we're back for the 2:30 show. I have to say one thing, this grass, this faux grass, is comfortable. There's lots of bean bags here you can sit on. We got a pretty good spot in the show.
Welcome!
On the music! You all do it with us! Okay, one more time. Arms up! It looks like we're ready, so let's go!
Mrs. Rabbit's Diner. Right this way. Plenty of booth seating. Jukebox. Really cute. It's done just like a diner in here. Cafeteria style. You could freeze this and see what kind of stuff they have on their menu. They also have a sandwich menu there. Little piggy entrees like cheese pizza, chicken, smoked brisket sandwich. Wow, that sounds pretty good. Prices are relatively reasonable. And ice cream.